Would you like to experience great looking hair every day? Well, you can. Hi, I'm Barbara of Eastside Imelda's Wig Gig. I would like to introduce you to me and my channel. Like many people, I'm a hair challenged individual. This is due to a couple of factors. I was blessed with very fine thin hair, which I accepted at an early age, and as I grew older, it seemed to get thinner and thinner. And then, at the age of 48, I was injured in an automobile accident, which left me with a head injury that had a lot of scarring at the front of my scalp. The trauma from this also sent my body into menopause, and I started to see my hairline continue to diminish. Fortunately, I found the transforming world of wigs and alternative hair solutions, which inspired me to start my YouTube channel. I've dedicated this channel to helping others like you to find inspiration and information in regard to your own hair challenges, whatever they may be. I post videos that contain wig reviews as well as tips and tricks that I've learned along my hair journey. Recently, I became an affiliate of Hair Kitty Kitty, and I'm working to help promote this glorious new line of innovative medical style wigs and toppers. This new line has a number of cute and very comfortable styles in lots of fun and exciting colors. Be sure to check out the website hairkittykitty.com/EastsideImelda. Remember, anyone can enjoy wearing incredible fun hair every day. So please subscribe to my channel and find your newfound inspiration.